Welcome to our webinar on the StorageCraft OneXafe Solo 300. And thanks for giving us your time this afternoon. We know it's very valuable. This webinar should take about 20 minutes to go through the content, and there'll be time at the end for questions and answers. You can type any questions you have into the Q&A panel on your screen at any time through the presentation. So firstly, a little bit about OneCall. We're a managed service provider based in Blenheim, and we've been operating since the year 2000. We have a large customer base in the Marlborough region and also many customers operating throughout New Zealand. We've been providing managed IT services to customers since 2006 with service level agreements that provide for monitoring, remote management, help desk, updates management, security, backup, and business continuity and disaster recovery. We've been a StorageCraft partner since 2006 when we first started deploying Shadow Protect for server backup, Image Manager for image management and replication, and now we're delivering OneXafe for cloud-based computer protection. StorageCraft, the company behind the OneXafe Solo 300, was founded in 2003 and is headquartered in Draper, Utah, with European headquarters in Cork, Ireland, and regional offices around the globe, including here in New Zealand and Australia. StorageCraft have a comprehensive portfolio of award-winning data protection and management solutions for any organization. Their goal is to help you back up fast and recover faster, and this goal drives everything that they do. StorageCraft's product portfolio includes Shadow Protect SPX for server and computer full system image-based backup, Image Manager for backup image consolidation and replication management, StorageCraft Cloud Services, which is StorageCraft's cloud-hosted image repository for disaster recovery protection, Cloud Backup for Microsoft 365 and Google Data and Mailbox protection, Shadow Control for single pane of glass management of StorageCraft protection solutions, and finally OneXafe, which is StorageCraft's newest cloud-based data protection product. Today we'll be focusing on the OneXafe Solo 300 product. So what is the OneXafe Solo data protection solution from OneCall? Well, Solo is an affordable plug-and-play data protection solution for small and medium businesses that is packed with enterprise features. OneXafe Solo enables organizations with simpler environments and with a data protection solution that is easy to deploy, can protect diverse systems, including both physical computers and virtualized environments, including VMware and Hyper-V. It can back up directly to the StorageCraft cloud, and it's great for small environments with 20 machines to protect. A OneXafe Solo is extremely easy to configure, deploy, and manage. The OneXafe Solo itself is a small device that provides plug-and-play installation on the network that is to be protected. OneXafe Solo provides enterprise-class data protection capabilities, including data encryption, SLA-based protection policies, centralized monitoring, and more. Because the device can stream data directly to the cloud via a simple internet connection, there is no need for costly on-site infrastructure. It is built using the ShadowSafe platform and StorageCraft cloud services, and the Solo device provides the on-premise component for the data protection workflow. It is targeted at smaller environments with up to 20 computers to protect. One solo device can protect multiple computers. What is the target environment for OneXafe Solo and what can it do? Well, Solo is great for organizations that need an affordable solution to protect their data. It is ideally suited for smaller or medium-sized enterprises with one or more servers or critical computers that need protection. It can protect both physical computers and virtualized computers that use either Hyper-V or VMware. Solo backs up protected devices directly to the StorageCraft cloud. This is a full system image backup, not just a file backup solution. Optionally, local storage can be added to the Solo if local backups are required. There are multiple recovery options for protected computers, including individual file or folder restore, complete system image restore, and system recovery direct to a hypervisor or virtualization environment if this is available. If an on-premise recovery environment isn't available, then protected computers can be spun up as virtual machines in StorageCraft Cloud until the local environment is restored. These features make it ideal for the smaller business with limited IT spend. Solo offers DR in a box based on a flat fee rate per protected computer. The OneXafe Solo comes with StorageCraft Cloud Services Premium Service Level. The Premium Service Level includes secure offsite storage of all the business backups with full restore capability, granular file and folder recovery, and the ability to virtualize the replicated system in StorageCraft Cloud in a disaster recovery situation if need be. So what do Apple, Microsoft, Google, PayPal, IBM, Pure Storage, large national and global banks, and StorageCraft all have in common? Well, the answer is they all have presence in the same data centers. So you might be asking, how safe is the StorageCraft Cloud for my data? Well, the StorageCraft Cloud shares data centers as these the same data centers as these large companies. For New Zealand customers, Solo data goes to the StorageCraft Cloud in Sydney. This is a military-grade security SSAE 16 certified data center that uses AES 256 encryption. It's what is known as a Tier 3 plus data center that has 99.999% uptime and 24/7 monitoring and security. The data center is ISO standards compliant. At OneCall, we've been using StorageCraft Cloud for several years as a repository for StorageCraft SPX and Image Manager offsite backups, and can testify to its reliability. The target environments for OneXafe Solo can include a number of different environments. They can include physical computers, including servers and other computers such as critical workstations, point-of-sale controllers, monitoring and security systems. It can include virtualized environments running VMware, vCenter, ESXi, and Hyper-V. Or it can protect hybrid environments with a mixture of physical computers and virtual machines. It offers super fast restore from the cloud, straight into either Hyper-V or VMware, plus other recovery options, including individual file or folder restore and system image recovery. Or failover to a virtual machine in the StorageCraft Cloud if target hardware or environment aren't available. So a little more detail on Solo's protection and recovery capabilities. Firstly, backup. The data flow is from the protected server or computer to Solo and then to the cloud via optional external storage if required. Agentless backups are available for VMware environments, Essential, Standard or Enterprise, and Hyper-V environments in the latest software release, Server 2016, Server 2019, and Windows 10 Pro. This means that protected virtual machines are backed up from the host without needing to have a backup agent installed on each virtual machine. For physical servers and computers, we will need to install the ShadowSafe Windows backup agent into each machine that is to be protected. Secondly, failover. Failover recovery is very flexible. If you have a VMware or Hyper-V hypervisor available, then we can instantly virtual boot directly to that environment. If you don't have anywhere to recover to, or your site is down, we can instantly recover in the StorageCraft cloud by spinning up the virtual machine there. When we virtualize in the StorageCraft cloud, a pre-configured firewall automatically comes up. This can auto-establish an IPsec VPN to your network environment using any IPsec compatible firewall or to a temporary or remote office, as well as providing VPN client access using OpenVPN for work from home users and remote users. Finally, for recovery of physical computers, we can either download a full system image to recover from or request delivery of a bare metal restore recovery drive. How is the OneXafe Solo deployed at your site and then configured to protect the necessary computers? Well, there are a number of steps to this process. To start with, OneCall's team, managed services team, will order a OneXafe Solo appliance with delivery to your site. On receipt of the Solo appliance, you can either self-install or a OneCall tech can come and install it for you. Self-install is a very simple process which basically boils down to removing the device from its box, plugging it into the power, connecting it to the network, and powering it on. On power up, the OneXafe Solo appliance registers with OneCall's One System tenant in the StorageCraft cloud. OneCall can then deploy agents at your site using the software delivery method of choice. OneCall then uses the One System to assign protection policies to the machines that you want protected. The OneXafe Solo will then initiate protection of the required computers and start uploading the images to the StorageCraft cloud. Ongoing replication then provides 3 daily and 2 weekly recovery points for the protected computers. To ensure that protection is maintained, OneCall provides comprehensive SLA-based management for your Solo device. Our One System StorageCraft console provides us with a central dashboard for system health and protection status monitoring. We can also do SLA compliance reporting and capacity analytics for your backup solution. And finally, we can provide you with a centrally managed system and file recovery capability for when that is needed. So in summary, these are the highlights of the OneXafe Solo appliance solution. Firstly, it's a simple and economical plug-and-play backup appliance, no complex installation required. It's incredibly small and capable of replacing your existing backup server or NAS. It has been designed to be able to be used on any existing hardware, so no need to buy a new NAS or backup server. It's perfect for remote office or branch office scenarios as no on-site on-site IT staff or capability is required. And it's also perfect for small and medium enterprise networks with a few servers and/or critical computers that require protection. It can protect physical, virtual, and hybrid computer environments. It provides a reliable full system backup for protected computers, monitored and managed by OneCall. And it provides multiple recovery and restore options, including file, folder, instant recovery to hypervisor, and bare metal restore images. If, like us, you think that the OneXafe Solo from OneCall is a solution for your data and computer protection needs, then what's the next step for you? Well, here's some options. If you'd like to learn more about how the OneXafe Solo would work for your organization, then contact us to arrange a free consultation. We can discuss your requirements and advise on the best solution for you. If you want to see the solution in action, you can also request a demo. One of our consultants will give you a tour of a real OneXafe Solo appliance in action so that you can see for yourself how it works. And finally, you can order a OneXafe Solo from OneCall and use it for 45 days free of charge to back up as many computers as you want. Billing will start from the 46th day after shipment. If you find the solution doesn't work for you, you can return it to StorageCraft before 45 days is up and you won't be billed for it. For any of these options, feel free to call us on 0800 939 321 or send an email to sales@onecall.co.nz. Well, that's a brief overview of the new StorageCraft OneXafe Solo from OneCall, how it works and what it can do for your organization. If you have any questions, feel free to type them into the Q&A pane on your screen and we'll do our best to answer them for you. Thanks for your time, and I'll wait a few minutes to see if there are any questions and give some answers, and that will be it. Okay, well, it looks like we don't have any questions, so thank you for your time. And if you do want to follow up with any questions, feel free to call me on 0800 939 321 or send us an email. Thanks very much for your time and have a great afternoon.